Hi everyone! Thank you for joining us.
My name is Claire and this is Lyric.
Today we're going to take science.
And we're going to learn about fruits and what colors they are and how they grow. I'm sure you guys have lots of fruits in your house. Do you like fruits?
Yes.
You do? And what is your most favorite fruit?
Pineapple.
Pineapple or strawberries?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay, so let's start with this one over here. What is this funny yellow fruit called?
Banana.
It's a banana. And bananas grow on trees. They grow somewhere nice and tropical. Bananas are so yummy and nutritious. And tell me, what about this one? What is this?
Orange.
It's an orange. And what do oranges taste like?
Sweet.
Sweet. They taste like sweet deliciousness. And they're so juicy, guys. Now, oranges grow on an orange tree. This is also part of the citrus family, just like an orange. But what color is this one?
Yellow.
Is this a yellow orange?
No.
What is it?
A yellow lemon.
It's a yellow lemon. They're really delicious in ginger and lemon and honey tea. It's also really good for you. How do lemons grow?
On a tree.
On a tree, just like an orange. Now, we've got another member of the citrus family here. Tell me, Lyric, can you find something else that looks very similar to an orange?
Nutty.
A nachi? Wow! A nachi also grows on the tree and it's also part of the citrus family.
And it goes with the orange.
Yeah.
It grows on an orange tree.
It grows on a nachi tree. What does a nachi taste like?
Juicy.
Juicy and delicious. And what does a lemon taste like?
Sour.
Sour. Do you like lemons? Why not?
Because they are sour.
Because it's a bit sour, but it's really nice if you use it in your tea and it's really delicious to cook with. What else do we have? What's that?
Apple.
An apple? Tell us about that apple. What color is it?
Red and green.
Red and green. And how does an apple grow?
On a tree.
On a tree, on an apple tree, guys. Have you ever seen an apple tree? I've seen an apple tree. Do you get other color apples?
Yes.
We get green apples, we get yellow apples, and we get red apples. Doesn't this apple look so yummy and delicious? And it even smells yummy and delicious. Now you get so many different kinds of fruits. These aren't all the fruits you get. We've also even got another fruit here.
Another.
What is this? This is a delicious juicy pear. Wow. It smells so nice and sweet. And do you know what I really like? I like something called a pear crumble. And that's where you have a nice sweet crumbly topping on top of yummy cooked creamy
And what
pears.
is this, guys?
That's a banana. What animal do you know of that loves bananas?
A monkey.
Monkeys love bananas. What other fruit can we see here? Ooh.
Pineapple.
A pineapple? What color is this pineapple?
Orange.
It's orange. And where do you think pineapples grow? Do they grow on a tree? No, they don't grow on a tree. A pineapple grows on a little bush on the ground. Pineapples are also really good for you and they taste nice and sweet. But be careful because this little prickly bit over here can hurt you. Touch it. Is it sharp?
No.
You don't want to touch it. Oh. Try again. One more time. Did you know that you can use fruits for smoothies for breakfast, or you can even cut them up and have them in ice cream for dessert? You've got to eat fruit every single day. And the nice thing about fruit is that it's really easy to eat.
And vegetables, guys.
Vegetables are also very healthy, but we'll do that in another video. So we're gonna blindfold little Miss Lyric over here, and I'm gonna cut up some of the fruit and let her taste it. And let's see if she can guess what she's tasting. Do you think she's gonna get them right? Do you think you're gonna get it right?
No.
You don't think so? I think you'll get it right. You're a smart cookie. Okay, so we're back and Lyric is gonna taste some yummy fruit and guess what it is that she's tasting. Okay, but let's blindfold you first. Are your eyes covered? Can you see anything?
No.
How many fingers am I holding up?
5.
Okay, so she can't see anything. We're gonna start with this one. Take a piece of that and taste it. Tell me what you think it is. What does it taste like?
Yuck.
Does it taste yuck? What do you think it is?
Yuck. Apple.
You think it's a yuck apple, okay? Put it down. Now we're gonna try a different one. Take a piece of that, taste it. What does it taste like?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Oh, do you like that one? That much better. Are you gonna eat that one whole? Yummy. Let's try this one here. Taste that one. What does it taste like?
Sour.
Sour. What fruit do you think it is?
Nut. Orange.
You think it's an orange. Okay, good job. Let's try this one over here. What's that? Can you pick up a piece of that? Does it help you?
Banana.
Banana. What does it taste like?
Not sour.
Not sour, so sweet. Okay, give me your hand. Taste that one.
The pineapple.
I don't know, taste it and tell me. Don't look, no peeking.
Lemon.
Lemon? Do you like that one?
No.
No. Okay, let's try a different one. What about this one here? What's that? No peeking.
Apple.
Apple. Yummy, yummy apple. Okay, one left. Last one. Give me your hand. What is that one?
Nutty.
Nachi! Yay! Well done! Good job, Nunu. You got them all right, except for this one, the pear. The pear, you didn't like the pear, but you said it was apple. But you got all the others right. High five! Well done! Lyric really knows her fruits. Good job. Say thanks for joining us, guys.
Thanks for joining us.
And if you liked this video, click subscribe. See you next time. Bye!